May nararamdaman ka ba, pero ini-ignore mo lang? Yung tipong sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, mawawala rin to. Pero what if, hindi pala? And what if, ito na pala ang warning sign na hindi mo dapat balewalain?
Dum, 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 dum. Welcome to Everything About Cancer with Doc Fred Ting.
New episode every Wednesday.
And Saturday.
Hi everyone, I'm Doc Fred Ting, your medical oncologist, and welcome to Everything About Cancer, kung saan tinatanggal natin ang takot sa pamamagitan ng tamang kaalaman. Now, let me explain this in very simple terms. Hindi lahat ng nararamdaman mo, cancer. Pero hindi rin lahat, normal. May mga sintomas na pwedeng warning signs na kailangan nating seryosohin. Here are some of the most important ones. Unexplained weight loss. Bigla kang pumapayat kahit hindi ka nagda-diet. Persistent pain. Sakit na hindi nawawala kahit ilang linggo na. Lump o bukol. Kahit maliit, kahit hindi masakit. Abnormal bleeding. Dugo sa dumi, ihi o pag-ubo. Chronic cough o pagbabago ng boses, lalo na kung matagal na. Pagbabago sa bowel or urination habits. These are not diagnoses, but they are signals. So kailan ka dapat mag-alala? Kapag ang simptomas tumagal ng higit 2 weeks, kapag hindi nawawala kahit may gamot, kapag may kakaiba kang nararamdaman sa katawan mo. Remember, your body is talking to you. The question is, nakikinig ka ba? Sa clinic, madalas kong marinig ito. Doc, naramdaman ko na ito dati, pero hinayaan ko lang. At doon nagiging problema. Hindi dahil cancer agad, kundi dahil na-delay ang diagnosis. At sa cancer, timing is everything. But let me be clear, hindi lahat ng bukol cancer, hindi lahat ng sintomas delikado. Pero mas mabuti ng sigurado kaysa magsisi sa huli. Early consultation can change everything. So don't ignore the signs, don't ignore your body. Take action early. And always remember, let your faith be stronger than your fears, because cancer is not a death sentence and there is always hope. Thank you for watching Everything About Cancer with me, Doc Fred Ting. If you found this episode helpful, please like this video, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to the channel so we can spread accurate and reliable information about cancer to more people. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming episodes. And always remember, let your faith be stronger than your fears, because cancer is not a death sentence and there is always hope. Again, I'm Doc Fred Ting, and see you in the next episode of Everything About Cancer.
Dum, 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 dum. Welcome to Everything About Cancer with Doc Fred Ting.
New episode every Wednesday.
And Saturday.